Hello po ma'am. We are presenting to you a report which entitled Development of Rambutan and Pineapple Jam. The Philippine rambutan industry presents both promising potential and notable challenges. Production has experienced notable expansion, with the volume of rambutan harvested into 2023 reaching approximately 11,000 metric tons, signaling a growing cultivation trend in recent years. Rambutan is nutrient-packed, rich in vitamin C, dietary fiber, and antioxidant, making it well-suited for value-added products such as juices and dried snacks. One significant limitation is short shelf life of rambutan, which has sent post-harvest deterioration and poses logistic hurdles in transportations and storage if proper handling technologies are lacking. This situation creates both an opportunity and a problem. On one hand, increasing production and strong nutritional value make rambutan an excellent candidate for food processing and product development. On the other hand, post-harvest losses limits its market reach and probability. Developing processed products such as jam, preservatives, or blended fruit products can help extend shelf life, reduce post-harvest waste, increase farmers' income, improve market and availability behind harvest season. Objectives: this study aims to develop jam with rambutan and pineapple. Significantly, it thought to attain the following objective. Number 1. To formulate a jam using varying ratio of pineapple and rambutan. The first objective focuses on the formulation of jam using different proportion of pineapple and rambutan. To determine the most suitable blend, pineapple is widely used in jam production due to its natural acidity, flavor, and pectin content, which contribute to gel formation. In contrast, rambutan is less commonly processed into jam, despite its nutritional value and availability in tropical regions. To evaluate the sensory attributes of the developed jam. Sensory evaluation is a critical aspect of food product development. As a consumer, acceptance largely depends on sensory characteristics. This objective seeks to assess the color, texture, flavor, spreadability, and overall acceptance of the formulated jams. 3. To determine the physicochemical properties of the jam. The third objective aims to analyze the physicochemical properties of the formulated jams, which are essential indicators of the product quality, safety, and shelf life stability. Rambutan is a tropical fruit valued for its distinctive appearance, juicy texture, and a pleasantly sweet flavor. Its hairy shell, translucent flesh, and refreshing taste make it both visually attractive and enjoyable to eat. The presence of inedible seeds highlights the need for awareness when consuming the fruit. Rambutan stands out as a popular and refreshing tropical fruit with a significant appealing in both local and international market. The pineapple's physical characteristics is protective outer skin, vibrant edible flesh, and distinctive crown highlights both its biological function and economic importance. These features makes the pineapple not only a nutritious tropical fruit but also a symbol of tropical agriculture and abundance, widely valued for consumption, processing, and trade. Here is the list of ingredients. First, the rambutan. Second, pineapple. And the third is sugar. And the fourth is lemon juice. Rambutan. Main fruit flavor, body, pulp, moisture, pectin, source. Pineapple. Tartness, acidity, some pectin, contributes to gel formation, flavor balance to gel. Third is sugar. Preservation, gelling with pectin. Sweetness, texture, color stability. Fourth, lemon juice. Acid to active, pectin, gel strengthening, flavor enhancement, and preservation.
Preparation of raw materials of rambutan and pineapple jam.
Process of rambutan. First, sort rambutan fruit and remove any damaged, unripe, or moldy fruit to ensure food safety, prevent the spread of spoilage, maintain good taste and quality, extend shelf life, and improve the appearance and market value of the fruit.
Second, wash rambutan fruit with potable water until totally clean to remove dirt, pesticides, residues, and microorganisms. Ensure the fruit is safe to eat, hygienic, and good quality.
Third, drain the rambutan in a colander to remove excess water so that the moisture does not promote mold growth, spoilage, or contamination, helping keep the fruit fresh and safe. Fourth, remove the peel of the rambutan because the peel is not edible and must be taken off to access the edible flesh inside, ensuring the fruit is safe, clean, and ready for consumption.
Fifth, separate the flesh from the seeds so the rambutan is safe and easy to eat, prevents choking, and prepares the fruit properly for consumption or further processing.
Grind rambutan fruit for jam to make the texture smooth, help it cook evenly, release pectin for thickening, and evenly distribute flavor. Process of pineapple. We need to wash the pineapple with potable water until totally clean and then drain it in a colander to remove excess water in order to remove dirt, bacteria, and chemical residue. Ensure food safety and cleanliness and prevent excess moisture that can cause spoilage during preparation or storage.
Second, peel the skin of the pineapple because the skin is tough and edible and may contain dirt or contaminants, and removing it allows access to the clean, edible flesh for safe consumption and processing.
Third, remove the core and seeds of the pineapple because they are hard, fibrous, and unpleasant to eat, and removing them improves the texture, taste, and safety of the fruit. Fourth, cut the pineapple into chunks for jam to make it easier to cook and mash. Ensure even cooking and help the fruit release its juice and flavor, which improves the texture and taste of the jam. First, we need to combine the weight rambutan fruit and weight pineapple flesh to ensure the correct proportion are used, which help achieve a consistent taste, texture, and quality in the final product.
Second, mix the fruit with an equivalent amount of sugar to help preserve the fruit, enhance its sweetness, and create the right consistency for the product like jam, while also preventing spoilage. Third, we need to heat the jam over low fire, while stirring constantly and add citric acid. Then continue heating until 105 degrees Celsius to ensure the sugar dissolves completely. The fruit cooks evenly, the acidity is balanced for flavor and preservation, and the jam reaches the proper consistency and shelf stability.
Fourth, cool down the jam to stop the cooking process, prevent overcooking or burning, and allow it to thicken and set properly before storing or packaging. Last, put the jam in a sealed container to prevent contamination from bacteria, mold, or dust, preserve its freshness and flavor, and extend its shelf life.
Here's the first preliminary treatments we underwent before we achieved the exact and right amount of measurement in making rambutan and pineapple jam. Here's the table of measurements on ingredients of jam in preliminary treatments. The measurements is depending on the amount of pineapple over the amount of rambutan. On the left side is the amount of ingredients in grams in per treatment, while on the right side table is the percentage of ingredients in per treatment. So in treatment 1, the percentage of pineapple is 87.5 while the ratio of rambutan is 12.5. On treatment 2, the ratio of pineapple is 75%, while on the rambutan is 25%. The treatment 3 is 50% of pineapple and 50% of rambutan. In treatment 4, the ratio of pineapple is 25 while the ratio of rambutan is 75%. In treatment 5, the ratio of pineapple is 12.5 while the ratio of rambutan is 87.5. The treatment 6 is the ratio of 0% of pineapple while 100% of rambutan. Here's the things they observe upon consuming the cooked jam in preliminary treatments. So the observation is based on the panelists who consume our jam. So here's the observation. The first observation is more on pineapple taste. The next one is the texture is like turning candy. And the color is yellow color. And the cuts of rambutan is too large. However, here's the suggestion of the panelists who consume our jam. So the first is add more rambutan. The next one is make a treatment of puree rambutan and also adjust the cooking time. Here's the next treatments we underwent in making rambutan and pineapple jam. The ratio of rambutan is increased over the amount of pineapple. The left side is the table which represents the amount of ingredients in grams, while on the right side is the amount of ingredients in percentage. So in treatment 1, the percentage of rambutan is 60% while the percentage of pineapple is 40%. In treatment 2, the percentage of rambutan is 70% while the percentage of the pineapple is 30%. In treatment 3, the percentage of rambutan is 80% while the percentage of pineapple is 20%.
For result, the jam achieved its desired texture, aroma, flavor, and taste, so that we decided to take this jam for the next step, which is the sensory analysis.
Sensory evaluation of 3 rambutan and pineapple jam treatments was conducted using 60 panelists. Each panelist ranked the sample from 1 as the highest to 3 as the lowest based on overall acceptability. The result shows the following means. In treatment 1, the mean is 1.90. Treatment 2 has the mean of 2.5. Treatment 3 has the mean of 2.8. The lowest means is the winner or the number 1 among the 3. Based on the result from the sensory evaluation test, the treatment 1 got the lowest mean over the 2, indicating that treatment 1 is the winner. This treatment will undergo with another sensory test. Here's the standard or things to consider to identify your product as jam. This information is based on the Philippine National Standard in Sweet Preserve. So, jam, the product brought to the suitable consistency made from the whole fruit pieces of fruit. The inconcentrated or concentrated fruit pulp or fruit puree of one or more kind of fruit which is mixed with foodstuff. with sweetening properties as defined in section 2.2, with or without the addition of water. According to Philippine national standard, the jam must meet the standard of physicochemical content to ensure its safety and quality of the product. The jam must meet the different content including the pH of 4.6, water activity of greater than 0.85, and the total soluble solid of 60 to 65 degree Brix.
And here's the reference of sweet preserve, different physicochemical standard of sweet preserves.